Jessie.
Oh, almost.
Jump on Jessie.
Just don't stick your feet out, because then you'll knock her
Yeah,
over.
you have to let her jump on you, just like she let you jump on her.
Okay, Brianna, go jump on Jessie. Oh.
Tickle
Go.
him, tickle him.
No, I do it now.
Okay, Brianna, you lay down on the couch.
I'd be so scared of Jessie if he was that big and he was doing things like that.
Okay, go. You kids are funny.
No, my turn. No, my turn.
Jessie, are you being gentle with your sister? You're not being gentle.
A little bit gentle.
No, you need to be a lot gentle.